Hi everyone, it's Michelle from A Noble Touch, and today we are going to work on a Valentine center for a Valentine flower. What I'm going to use are Lomey gems, and they come in packages like this. And I'm going to use red, pink, and clear for this. What you're going to want to do is paint your center first, and then spray it with a sealer. I like to use a Rust-Oleum clear coat like this. So it's just about decorating how you want. I love these Lomey gems. I love blingy center. So we're just going to start, and I think what I'm going to do is like an infinity heart. So I'm going to start out with my red and just make a heart shape in the middle. Trying to make this as symmetrical as I can. Actually, I want to bring this one down just a little more so it has more of the heart shape, like that. And this one I'm just going to fill in with the red gems. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the red. Now I brought it out a little taller here and kind of slanted, brought the tip so it's a little bit of a, just a cute heart, like a whimsical heart instead of a perfect heart. Yeah, that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. That's what I did it. It wasn't because I couldn't get it symmetrical. So anyway, I thought this was really cute. I ended up putting extra ones on top. So if you look, like here, I put them in between. And that way it gives us a little bit more of a 3D effect. If you can see that on the side. To our gems in our design. So now what I'm going to do is I'm taking the clear and I'm going to go and put these all around the outside. And then I'm going to, after I do the clear, I have pink. So I'm going to do a layer of the clear and then the pink and the red, and I'm going to keep going with this pattern till about out to here. And then that way that should give us a really pretty like infinity heart look to this. So I think what I'm going to do, I'll do the red, the clear, the pink, the clear, the red, and we'll see how that looks. And we'll be back because I'm not going to make you guys sit through all of this. Okay, so here's our end result. I went a little bit thicker over on this side just to keep with the whimsical look of it. And so I did like row of 3 over here and then into 2 and then gradually go into the 1 and then brought the tips down. So you can keep going and finish and completely filling everything in, or you can just leave it like that. So thank you so much for joining me. Also, if you like any of my jewelry I'm wearing, I do sell paparazzi jewelry. I can post the link under the description of the tutorial. Everything is lead and nickel free, and it's $5 a piece. So it's great jewelry, and it's inexpensive. So gotta love that. But also, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will have more videos coming out. I know I will have a St. Patrick's Day video coming out, as well as probably a wreath for the center. So thank you so much for joining me, and have a great day.